I just stay right here. Okay. Hey, Scott Grove here. I'm at AWFS in Las Vegas. I'm here with Mereen Johnson, and they specialize in high-speed wood processing and robotic integration. So, give me a little more about what do you got here, Josh?
So what we've got here today is our 1101 dovetailer. It's a single spindle dovetailer that has a benefit of being able to do custom wood joints based on your application, or if you just want to be a little different than all of your competitors off of a normal dovetail joint. Today what we've done is we've added on a FANUC collaborative robot to do machine tending. This way you can feed a few stack of parts, allow it to process them through, and
go to lunch. Can we go to lunch?
We could.
Okay.
We could. So today is just a smaller application of a queue. We've got designs for this to go up to large-scale batch production for 30 to 45 minutes.
Sure. Wow. Efficient. That's great. Okay. Well, hey, you want to check out this for real? Come on down to the show. Check out Mereen Johnson, and see you next time. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.